All right, it's IELTS speaking part 1, and we're going to ask you some questions. You got to answer.
What do you do in your spare time?
Well, I do many different things in my spare time, but most of the times I read books because I love to read books, and most of the time I love reading fantasy books. There are a lot of books I have. So to answer your questions, I read two books a lot. Usually
Okay,
during my spare
fantasy.
time.
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Okay, let's go on.
Do you like to do outdoor activities?
Yes, I do. In fact, I love planting the trees, and so whenever I also have spare time, I do plant my outside my home. Because we have a garden, beautiful garden in our home. So yes, I do love to plant.
Okay, just try to add a couple of sentences, and otherwise the pattern is good. You are concluding your answer. Just add 1 to 2 more sentences to your answer. Okay, let's go on.
How often do you do that?
How often do you do that? Now, whenever they ask you a question, how often do you do that? How often do you do such activities? It means what you answered before. You need to talk about that. How often do you do that means the plantation and all that. So how often do you do that?
Well, I am a student, so in the weekdays I have classes. Normally on the weekends I do that whenever I have a spare time, when someone's I don't have any other things to do. So I I do that.
Good. Overall, your English is good. You just need to patronize your answers according to this pattern, and some of the topics might be new for you.
Yes.
So just you need to be familiar with the topics. And remember, familiarity with the topics means answers are readily available. Right? If I ask you what's your name, you will immediately answer without thinking, because answer is readily available. So once all these topics have been through, you've been through these topics, answers will be readily available. You go for actual speaking test, examiner asks you the question, and you are free to answer, and you'll be very comfortable there. Okay? So go through these topics. Thank you.